This is the most dangerous extreme overload in the world. The annual pilgrimage in Bangladesh. The surging crowd fills the entire train. It's easy to die if you're not careful, especially with these low bridges. This situation is even crazier in Bangladesh than in India facing the incoming overloaded train. There are still people who choose to ride on the roof. The crowded people on the roof leave no gaps. If the speed is too fast, one person losing balance can lead to a chain reaction. This crazy riding behavior leads to frequent railway accidents because 67.7% of accidents are caused by falling from the train or colliding with people on the tracks, and their safety awareness is very low. This train with excessive speed. It's not safe to ride on the roof, but the overcrowding inside is suffocating. The train doesn't stop. They are already rushing in madly, sometimes in order to board this train. Stampedes can occur. What's even crazier is in this situation. The train starts moving. Trains with outdoors are very dangerous, but they don't care. I just want to say one thing. This is too crazy.